Hello, what's up, my people? How's it all going with you today? This is Coin Market Cap, and as you can see, the whole place is still in red. And I know lots of persons are already wondering, crying, their blood pressure is on the increase. Well, guys, you just have to be patient with this market. Okay, so back to why you actually clicked on the link to this video. Let's head to Lendconnect. All right. So if you watched my last video on Lendconnect, uh, well, before I get started, I want to tell this guy that this is no financial advice, and whatever I share with you is basically my own opinion. Okay, so whatever you do is your own decision. You should be held responsible for your decisions, and not me. Okay, so currently have 6 referrals. Thank you guys for those of you who are signing up. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for signing up. All right, so if you watched my last video on Lendconnect, I told you guys about the new feature on Lendconnect where you you don't have to be online for your uh, balance to be invested. So the reinvestments are automated. Okay, I told you guys the last time. You can see it here, auto reinvest. Okay, so yesterday I logged in and I saw that my balance was still here, $11. You can see it right here, $11.40. I was like, come on, what happened? Is it that this reinvestment feature is not really working out? So I had to reinvest manually. But before then, I got to my balance and I saw that I was having 155, yeah, 155. Okay, and before yesterday I was having 144, meaning the reinvestment actually went through, but I was still having the balance of $11.40 right here. So I did the reinvestment myself. I was like, okay, let me just make the reinvestment, and it went through. You can see it right here. I reinvested twice. Okay, this was the auto reinvestment. You can see that missing entry, whatever, blah blah blah. So right now you can see that what we have up here is -$8. So I believe there was a bug on the system that was actually I don't know if I was the only one this happened to. I believe there a lot of persons actually should have experienced it. Okay, because I believe it should be universal. So I think there was a bug, but it has been sorted out. I believe it has been sorted out because the site was on maintenance some um, few hours ago, and they are back up. So guys, the price of Lendconnect is currently $4.40. Okay, this is just the perfect time for anyone to get these coins, if not to even lend, just to hold these coins. Okay, their exchange will be coming live within the next 11 days, and that is drawing closer and closer each passing day. Okay, so that is it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Once again, I want to say thank you for those of you who actually signing up, even though none of you have invested yet. I still appreciate the fact that you still used my link to sign up. Okay, now if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and make sure you try and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and click on the notification button so anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to receive it. So that's it, guys. Have a great time. Bye.